For the first problem, you have 2x times the quantity 3x minus 2 squared. So you want to first rewrite this expression because the squared applies to everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to say 2x times 3x minus 2 times the quantity 3x minus 2. Okay, so the 2 says there's 2 of those families. That's why I wrote this out 2 times. Now, you want to use a distributive property. So when I use the distributive property, you're going to notice that this 2x gets distributed to my first set of to everything inside of my first set of parentheses. So that becomes 6x squared, because 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is x squared, minus 4x, because 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and then you have an x. Keep that in parentheses, and then you multiply this by the quantity 3x minus 2. Now you set up an expansion box with this because you have a family times a family. So your expansion box would be 6x squared minus 4x, because that's the other term. And then you also have on the other side 3x minus 2. Okay? So you want to fill out your expansion box and then combine like terms. Next problem, you have the quantity x times the quantity 2x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 5 equals 0 squared. And this is where we use ZPP, zero product property, because if you notice, you have an equation that's equal to 0, and then you have it already factored. These are all the factors that we have. There's parentheses in there, not pluses and minuses. So we go ahead and create the mini equations. So you have x equals 0, that's my first mini equation. 2x minus 3 equals 0, that's my second mini equation. And then you have x plus 5 equals 0. And then you solve each mini equation to get your answers for this one.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.